my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share you 4 YouTube channel which really gonna help you a lot to improve your English. So before start this session, I would like to recommend myself. Well, my name is Mansi Bajpayee and that's all me and I'm your friend, I'm your teacher, I'm your advisor, you can say that. Whatever you want to say, I am. Okay, so let's start this video without further ado. Well, today video only for those people who really want to become a fluent speaker, who really want to works in this topic. Okay, so that the video belongs to that types of people. So be stay till the last. I hope this video is useful. I hope this video is going to be a very beneficial for you. So let's get started, guys. You know what, guys, we watch a lots of things on a YouTube. Okay, when we want anything, we search on a YouTube. When we want to cook anything, then we can search on a YouTube the recipe. Okay, and when we want to go anywhere, then we also search on a YouTube which place is good, which place is not good. If you know that about that place, then you also search it, what things you have to do, that all are things. And the second thing is that when you want to buy anything, then you also visit a YouTube channel and they analyzes the product. Lots of thing online shopping, so lots of thing, which app is good, which things is good, which is more good for you. So why, that's why I'm thinking, why you are not searching such types of video, which YouTube channel is good for you to improve your communication skills. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share you 4 YouTube channel. First YouTube channel is that Why On, like that. Okay, in this channel you get a lots of information, you get a lots of knowledge regarding the news. Okay, not also our country but also lots of country, and the main reason is that you have to improve yourself. GK, current affair, that all are things also covered in this topic in this channel. So of course you must watch this. Okay, so this channel is very useful for you if you are fond of watching news, if you are fond of gaining a knowledge. So of course this channel only for you. And if you really want to become a fluent speaker, that's the things also very important for you. Okay, when you know that what is the exact means of that word, and you can catch also a pronunciation also. Okay, and lots of things regarding our news, because news always talk which is going on nowadays. So that all the things, very things you can update yourself, you can upgrade yourself also. So of course you should watch this channel and you must visit it. That's a very good channel for the competitive exam for the those person who really want to take a good command on a GK. Okay, I also watch this channel because you know that who are watching to me before last 1 year. So they know about me. I am also preparing of the government job, so that's why I'm suggesting to you. That's a good for you. And if you know what, there's a lot of behind channel also who provide us a material like a GK material. Okay, so we always focus on the English, we always focus on the Hindi because our mother tongue is Hindi, that's why. But I would like to suggest that once you really want to take a command in English language, so of course you should watch it, because the error and comprehension and the passage, this is also be easy. Okay, while using these things. Okay, while reading, while listening, and while solving a puzzle, while watching a news also, because in our competitive exam, uh, comprehension and the PQRS and the passage belong to this area. So I hope you should, so I think you should work. Okay, now I'm going to suggest the second topic, not a topic. Now I'm going to suggest you a second YouTube channel. The second YouTube channel is Steve TV Show. Okay, that's so very fantastic. When you feel bored, okay, when you want to make a laugh at your face, so that the times this channel is good for you, because this channel belong to comedy serial. This channel doesn't belong to our India. You can just see that Here is a one member who always invite the people who they share their experience about the life. They share their comedy scenes, lots of things. You can watch it. Okay, you can just say I am not promoting this channel, don't think like that, because I think I am nothing in front of that channel, because they have a huge friend following. But I would like to suggest you, just because of English, if you really want to work on your English, if you really want to take the some knowledgeable things, then you can watch. Why you are searching here and there, what thing is important for you, and grammar is important, that's the thing. If you have enough command on the grammar, then of course you should start like that. Okay, so that the things I'm saying to you, that the things you can watch it. And after watching this channels of video, so of course you feel free and you feel happy. And if your mind goes to blank, then you also catch a lots of word through this channel. So I hope this is also useful for you. Not a hope, this channel is useful for me. I was learning this language then now, but right now also I am watching this channel just because of to entertainment. Okay, because I like it most. Now we talk about the third channel. Third is very important for you. I know very well you would be watch cartoon since childhood. Okay, but today I'm going to share you. Today I'm going to give the little bit advice. If you really want to watch a cartoon, so of course you should watch it, because this cartoon help you a lot for the beginner. Okay, because the cartoons channel use a very basic sentences, very basic structures in their conversation, because cartoons character know very well who's watch cartoons. Children watch cartoons. Okay, so of course they try to explain their views and ideas in front of the children, so they use a very basic grammar, they use a very easy sentence, then you are able to understand what they are saying, and you're able to catch it also. Okay, and these all are sentence you can fix in your mind and you can use also. The cartoon channel, but it belong to English. Okay, the name of that, Green Gold TV. Just look at this. Here we can watch a different types of character. Okay, which are our favorite character, like Bheem. Okay, and Bheem ki puri mandali ho gayi, like a Doraemon. Okay, like a Shin Chan. These all are cartoon we know very well. Okay, and we are aware with this. All are character. So of course I think you should watch this channel, because in this channel we find out the English cartoons also. And when you are going to watch, so of course you find out some special things, and you can see the also improvement in your body language, in your speaking language, in your conversation method also, because these things impact you a lot. Okay, because this thing is totally a interest part of your. Okay, when you going to watch, then you can think like that, oh, that are things, Bheem are saying this thing, Bheem is saying this thing, and their team saying this thing. Okay, so this is an interesting part also. I like it. Even in this age I am also watch the cartoon like a Doraemon, but subtitle be English. That's a good thing, and that should be also. Now we talk about the fourth channel. Fourth channel is also very important for you. It belong to celebrities. Okay, you know what, those are people fond of to watching the celebrities program are happening, the celebrities life. So I know I'm also kind of this person. I also want to know what is going on the Shraddha's life, what is going on to Amitabh Bachchan lives. Okay, so no, not for all character, but some which character I like, whose character I like most, of course I would like to know about that. So of course this channel for you, the speeches. Okay, the channel name is that English speeches celebrate. So here in this channel, I don't know who are the owner of this channel, but in this channel the celebrities come and speech their journey. Okay, and you know what guys, this is really very helpful for you, because in this channel we know very well how to introduce ourselves, because the celebrities when come and they are going to introduce themselves, so of course this is going to be a mind blowing, which word they are using in their conversation, which things they are using, what is the modulations of the tone, what is the pronunciation of the tone, we get up very easily. So I hope this thing is very, because this channel belong to speeches in English, so of course this channel those people who are learning English. Okay, so I think you should try it if you are if you are not aware about this channel. So of course today you have to go on your YouTube and just search these all our channel and just subscribe it. Okay, and not for subscribe, you have to watch, you just fix your target. No, I have to watch this thing 20 minute, 30 minute. It's totally depend to you. Okay, which how much time do you have, and how much time you can utilize in your conversation, in your watching program. So I hope this video is good for you, this video is useful for you, and these all are channels also very beneficial for you. I assure you, if you do this thing till 21 days, so of course you can change yourself. Okay, and some little bit change you can also feel in your body, in your conversation skills. Because and one thing is that I would like to suggest here, suppose that you are watching anything, okay, but if you are not able to understand, so please don't be scared. This thing happen with everyone. Just think like that, what the tone is going on, what the situation is going on, that all are thing, that basic thing you have to cover, that the basic thing you have to understand. So when you start to understanding the things, so of course you will be okay, and you will be able to understand. So that the things you have to do, and I assure you, you will be master in this language, you will be a proper command in this language. And in this time, if you are using these all are things, so please, you don't need to learn a vocabulary also, because in a character, because they all are character using a very fantabulous vocabulary in their conversation. Okay, you just feel like that, wow. And if any word you like, if any word you love most, so of course just catch it, not a catch, just steal it. ओके, चोरी करना बुरी बात नहीं होती है, बट चोरी किसकी करनी चाहिए, पॉजिटिव थिंग्स की करनी चाहिए. सो स्टार्ट द स्टीलिंग पॉजिटिव थिंग्स, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड. ऐसे मैं भी फ्रिज से पेठा चुरा के खा लेती हूँ, बट नॉट एन इशू, ये बहुत ही छोटी सी चोरी है, बट मैं पॉजिटिव थिंग्स की भी चोरी करती हूँ. ओके, सो दैट द थिंग्स वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू. एंड so in the last I would like to say one thing. If I have made in my, if I made any mistake in my sentence, you are free, you can let me know in the comment section, because I am also learning. By the bless of God, I am teaching also. So that all are things I am doing. I hope you like this I hope you like my video, I hope you like my views, ideas, and all our things. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, happy learning, keep learning. And if any problem do you have, so please let me know in the comment section. You can message me on the Skype also, and my mail ID also. Okay, so please check on the descriptions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, keep supporting also, because no bye bye.